Hello everybody and welcome. We are here live about to bust open a box of 2008 Bowman Baseball. The hottest product of the year, chasing the Shohei Ohtani rookie. Just to let everybody know, go to our Twitter page. You can follow us at Zcose Sports. And if you do want any cases or boxes of this product, please let us know as well. Definitely going to start doing some more box breaks. So why don't we go ahead and start it. This is a hobby box, 24 packs per box, 12 cards per pack. Get this thing started. Okay, so far nothing. There's an interesting one. Nick Williams, Bowman birthdays. Some chromes. People are saying the Shohei Ohtani is going to be a pretty hot one. The regular base will probably be about $1,500 to $2,000 a pop. And Royce Lewis, #1 pick there, the chrome. Tucker, Chavez, regular refractor there, more chromes. Packs are a little different this year. Alright, there's Garcia, chromes, still nothing, no autos yet. One autograph card per box on average. Definitely some chrome refractors, coloreds that you can get as well. Another Bowman birthday. Tristan McKenzie, chrome, nothing. No color, nothing yet at this point. And still nothing. Nope. Okay, nope. Rosario, refractor, chrome. Yep, there's the auto. Who do we have? We have Derek Hall as the auto. Alright. So that is our auto. And it looks like we have a green shimmer, refractor, Domingo Acevedo, #125. Finally, we have some color there. And there is Mr. Shohei Ohtani, Bowman base rookie right there. Very nice. Take extra care of that one. And looks like we have an X-Fractor coming up here. Or I'm sorry, Atomic Fractor. Tyler O'Neill, Atomic Refractor. They brought these things back this year in place of the X-Fractors. Pretty nice cards. Very thick. And Steven Gonzalez, #150. A couple more left. What are these Bowman birthdays? Max Kepler there, more chromes. Junior Fernandez, Kingery. And 2 more, and then we are done with this box. Talent pipeline right there. Mackenzie, Bradley, and Rodriguez. And last pack. Let's see here. The Talent Pipeline Refractor. And that will do it. So that is the end of it. People, thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Zcose Sports Marketing, 2018 Bowman box. Follow us on Twitter at Zcose Sports. Thank you and have a great day.